Hey Peter, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you to let you know about some things that I think you guys could do today, and it'll help you get ranked #1 across Google and bring in more business to you guys. So usually when I do this, a lot of people that I end up partnering with are often sitting on the other side asking themselves, Tyler, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? So I found out by giving local business owners this free attack plan, it's resulted in them, throwing their hands up and saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Go ahead and do this for me. And a lot of the hesitation that they have about hiring someone to do their digital marketing is that they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you see that I have a couple tricks up my sleeve to help you get ranked across Google, then give me a call. And we can discuss how we can partner together, or if you want to just take this information and simply run with it and implement it into your digital marketing strategy, then by all means go ahead and do so. So to go ahead and kicking it off, I wanted to first talk to you about content. And you guys have a pretty nice site, but in order to be optimized by Google, you need to have at least 1,500 words. So doing a word count on you guys' site, you have 565 words. So not too far off from the 1,500, but still need to have at least 1,500 words on that front page to be optimized. And so your #1 competition, you guys are sitting here at 7. Your #1 competition is Home Rebuilders, and they have 600 words on their front page. So not too far off from them, but still need to have at least 1,500 to be optimized by Google. And so next wanted to talk about the map pack. And we see here that you guys aren't listed in the map pack. And so you're probably asking, how do you get listed in the map pack? And so what the map pack is essentially made up of NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so what helps you get ranked in the map pack is citations. And so I like to use a tool here called WhiteSpark. And doing a search, home remodeling in Atlanta, we see that you guys aren't in the top 10 listings. So that means you guys have less than 6 citations, and your #1 competitor only has 57. So very, very, very beatable. Just need to use proper SEO tactics. And what I like about WhiteSpark is that you can go here on Home Rebuilders and view sources, and it'll list out all of the citations that Home Rebuilders is using, and you can do that for each one of these and basically go into that directory and put your NAP in, the name of your business, the address, and the phone number, and basically steal each one of those citations for yourself, and that'll help you get to 100 to 200 more than your competition in order to be beating them out. And so last but definitely not least, wanted to talk about backlinks, aka link juice. And so we see #1 listing is here, Home Rebuilders, and you guys are sitting at 7. So definitely want to be at #1 because Home Remodeling Atlanta is bringing in 140 searches per month. And so backlinks or link juice, simply put, it works like this. So site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving more authority to site B in Google's eyes. So it's like a popularity contest. But it's a little more tricky than that because you need to have more relevant sites pointing back to you. So seeing that you guys are home rebuilders, you need to have sites that are related to home rebuilding rather than having, like a Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool called Ahrefs. And we see that you guys have a ton of link juice or backlinks. So you guys have 6,360 backlinks, and your #1 competition only has 455. So you're probably asking yourself, well, why am I not ranked higher than them? And it's because of this right here. And this is called your trust flow. And seeing that you guys aren't, level like they are, they have 10 and 10. You guys have 15 and 26. So the closer those numbers are together, the more effective your backlinks are and the higher you get ranked on Google. So just need to get that trust flow as equal as possible. And then you'll be beating out your competition. So in closing, Obviously, there's some things that I have up my sleeve that I can use to get you ranked across Google. But you are more than welcome to take each one of the things that I talked about today, implement them in your digital marketing strategy, and I can guarantee that it'll get you #1 in the organic and #1 in the map pack. So, or if you want to take the more effective route and save yourself some time, then you can just give me a call and we can discuss how we can partner together. My number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. And my number is 678-661-5695. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.